Alright YouTube, so that's a Class D amplifier, 50 watt per channel, 50 watt on the left channel and 50 watt on the right channel, and that's the power supply. It's a SMPS, 24 volt 6 amp SMPS. So I'm gonna test this thing with these two subwoofers. They are not full range woofers or speakers, they are like subwoofers, so they are made for deep bass, heavy bass, not a very loud sound, and they are connected to the channels of this thing. As this is a 2.1, this thing has a 100 watt of subwoofer. I'm not using the subwoofer, that's the control for the subwoofer, and there's a main volume control for to control both the channel and bass, the overall volume, and that's the volume control for the channel. This thing has at full, so it's connected to my mobile phone. So now let's check some songs. Let's see how it works with these two subwoofers.
So the commotion, get ready for explosion, we rolling. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.